We have Jay Thakkar joining us now to talk more about markets. Jay, how are you reading the breakout today? It was just one soft day yesterday, but Nifty, Bank Nifty, small cap, mid caps, all of them have come back. What levels are you looking for right now?
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Ajay. Well, I would say that the Nifty has definitely provided a breakout today above the levels of 19,400, and then we saw a follow-up buying about 19,435 as well. These are the spot levels I'm seeing. And so now until 19,435, 450 levels are held on an intraday basis or a positional basis, Nifty is heading towards the levels of 19,600 to 650. In fact, we can see a further breakout above the levels of 19,525 as well, wherein Nifty will make its all-time high. So it's just away a few points by its all-time high now. And Bank Nifty, which was struggling since a couple of days, and Bank Nifty in fact was I would say a laggard or underperforming the Nifty. Now Bank Nifty also is trading comfortably above 45,000. So 44,800, 44,600 was any which was a good support for a Bank Nifty until Bank Nifty is now trading above 44,800 and above 45 as well. It's likely to reach towards 45,500. The short-term targets for Bank Nifty is also positive. Nifty is also positive.
Right, Jay. Jay, also just want to understand in terms of overall, just want to understand in terms of the defense pack. We've already seen that run up coming in. They all have seen a nice run up. Now, how are these looking like, in terms of the defense pack, whether you look at Moscow Dock or HAL? What would you suggest? Is that Refora that we were seeing there over, or maybe one should still continue to hold?
I think it can continue going forward as well. Mazgao definitely is now locked at the upper circuit. That stock has run up quite a lot, so maybe there is not much of a risk reward out there. But then stock like Cochin Shipyard, I mean there is still much more upside pending there. It has just provided a breakout today about 600. So now I think in the short term till it manages to hold 600, it's likely to inch towards the levels of 675 in the short term. Positionally, I think 550 is a very good support for Cochin until those levels are held. On the upside we can see 750, 800 levels as well. So overall outlook out here is bullish. Absolutely, stocks are making day, high tops, high bottom, on a regular basis, and the overall trend out there is also bullish. The volumes have seen a good pickup, and the momentum on the daily to monthly charts everywhere are well into the buy mode. It's just that the risk reward in few of the stocks have it will not be favorable, but then few of the stocks like Cochin Shipyard are still providing or offering good risk reward.
The defense clearly is a case in point in today's session. Also on news that overseas partners are wanting to buy more from the Indian partners, and submarine orders are coming in. New jets will be manufactured by HAL, all of that. But the NBFC space, that is in focus right now. All host of NBFCs. Ugro Capital came out with their first quarter numbers, first quarter updates, and after that the stock shot up to almost 7%, came back at 5%, 231. How's the chart looking there, Jay?
As far as Ugro Capital is concerned, definitely the stock has recovered quite well from its lows of say 150, and then from there we are seeing a good uptrend in this stock. In fact, it provided a breakout above the levels of 200 as well. So now till 200 levels are held, Ugro may continue its uptrend. It has provided a breakout from a symmetrical triangular pattern. The range was almost of from 130 to 230, so that was a 100 points range, which got broke out above the levels of 190, 200. So I think it may test the levels of 3 going forward till 200 levels are held up there.
Right. Some of the Delhi-based names also buzzing in trade, infrastructure / real estate names. Look at how BL Kashyap is shot up, or even Anant Raj for that matter. Have you looked at the charts of these Delhi players, Delhi realty names?
Yeah, definitely. Among which I definitely one of the stock which is in the FNO space, yeah, BLF. I mean that is one stock which is very BL of say 45 to 40. Once it provides a breakout above 45, it will definitely.
DLF as well. DLF is a FNO stock and Delhi-based realty name as well.
Yeah. So DLF is positive. Anant Raj on the long-term charts, Jay has provided a breakout from an inwards head and shoulders pattern above the levels of 90, and it has already moved also quite well till 80, 190. So the short-term targets for this, for Anant Raj seems to have achieved, and now if at all there is a dip, one can get into this around the levels of say 175, 160 levels. If it all dips, one can definitely buy this because I think the long-term bottom seems to have uh, back from those stocks which are Delhi based would be DLF for sure. It has provided a very nice long-term breakout, and above the levels of 525, Ajay, it would thereafter get into a range wherein there are not much of the resistance. So I would be more comfortable with DLF from the long-term point of view.
Right, Jay. And also, if you could just tell us your top picks that you're looking at as well today.
Sure, I have a couple of buy recommendations. The first one is on Tata Comm. The stock seems to have completed its fourth wave correction. It has provided a breakout from a downtrend line resistance, good long build-up seen in today's session. So Tata Comm can be bought for a target of 1675 to 1750. One can place a stop loss at 1540. The second buy recommendation is from the two-wheeler pack, TVS Motors. One can buy this targeting 1390 to 1415. 1415 would be its second target, and one can place a stop loss at 1310. This stock too seems to have completed a fourth wave on a short-term degree, and it has too seen a good long build-up since past couple of series now. So the cycle for TVS Motors has been clearly on the long side, and the stock is continuously forming high tops, high bottom. It just consolidates and provides a breakout again.
Okay, Jay, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on Markets at Noon on ET. Now, it's a pleasure having you on the show as always.